So now let's discuss about the user interface. Of course, this is your viewer panel. ये आपका viewer panel है. I can pan this. I can zoom in, zoom out over here, and there is a bunch of tools which has been given for your viewers. Like this is your gain adjustment. I can move the slider to add much grain into my image. This is your gamma adjustment. I can also slide this to add or decrease the gamma values inside my image. And suppose कि गलती से आपने कुछ values छेड़ दिए, you can just click over here to set it to default, like this and like this. And also remember, यहाँ पे मैं जो भी gamma की settings and gain की settings कर रहा हूँ, these won't going to affect my render output, because these tools which has been given over here is only for viewing my work. Clear? Alright, let's set it to default. Next, over here we have some playhead controls. यहाँ पे मैं इसको click करके I can play forward. I can use this button to make it stop, or I can play backward, stop. I can jump to the last frame, or jump to the first frame, and I can also move frame by frame by using this key, backward for this. And let's just see that what these keys are up to. जैसे ही मैंने ट्रांसफॉर्म नोड पे क्लिक किया, I can see the blue ticks over my timeline. What are these? These are the values, or these are the animation. These are the keys जहाँ पे मैंने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की वैल्यू को प्लेस किया. Alright, so I can use this to jump to my key like this or like that. This is my node graph जहाँ पे हमारे सारे nodes show होंगे. I can attach nodes, I can copy nodes, I can cut, paste. जो भी चीज़ें node के साथ करनी होगी वो हम यहाँ पे करेंगे in our node graph. इसी node graph में we also got two tabs. First one is your curve editor, where you will see your curves so that you can easily animate it. Alright, and you also have a dope sheet. The dope sheet is used to slide the timings of your keyframes. Like I can slide this timing. I don't want this animation to be get placed on frame number 40. I want it on frame number 45, so I will select this and I will make it on 45, something like that. Alright, let's get back to the node graph. This is my property bin. मैं यहाँ पे जो भी node select करूँगा उसकी properties I can see over here. Like if I select my transform node, I can see my properties over here on my transform node. If I select my blur node, now I can see my properties on my blur node, on the blur node side. To close that down, you can just click over here. Here is your tool panel, जहाँ पे आपके सारे tools दिए हुए हैं, and every tools has been categorized in their families. Like in the color family, I can get the numbers of tools which are responsible for colors. In the transform family, I can see that there are the numbers of tools which are responsible for transforming an image or to make changes to it. Same over here, we can get our file menus. Like you can go in file to create a new project, you can go in open, save as, whatever. And same as like edit, layout, viewer, render, cache, and the stuff like that. Nuke interface is very handy. I can select my node graph, I can detach this, I can add it to someone over here. So like on this side, I can now have my properties and also my node graphs. Like if I open that, see, you can see the properties in the node graph. And over here, you can see the curve editor. If you want to go back to the previous settings, just go to the layout and restore layout. Boom. You can also adjust the size of this particular panels. Like I can just adjust this by holding and dragging towards any of the directions, and that's it. So that was all for the user interface of this particular software, and next we will go into the details of each and every panels. All right, so see you next.